Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. My heart heavy. A 5 times I tried that video and my heart do it good and delete it because I feel like some details left out what I need to say. Because I keep editing them things and I just start raw straight from the heart. You know, see it? Yo, the man them kill off the woman. I man I go right to the relevant authority over here for get some sort of setup for the woman that Jamaica can seek asylum against violence, against murder. Because them are dying more than gay people, and gay people can get asylum over here because of quote-unquote violence against them in Jamaica. Only verbal abuse I can admit it, say, yeah, go on in Jamaica. And the reason why I can consider that verbal abuse because abroad them look at things like that as verbal abuse, while we locally and people who come from abroad and settle with us locally will recognize that we just use certain prominent features about a person to describe them descriptively. It's not about race or anything like that. You understand what I say? But yeah, moving on. You know, see, yeah, we need to get some sort of system set up by safe countries where women from Jamaica can seek asylum, because we can see now evidence more women dead from violence in Jamaica than gay men dead from violence perpetrated against them because of their sexuality. You understand what I say? This is not right, man. It's unacceptable. You see, and we need Blue Royal to just come on social media, come talk what kind of OBEAH she use to get rid of Triple X and to mess up Ivani. So that the woman them can have a sort of defense, because the police force not defend women against something there. You see it from your first-hand experience where you go down to go report someone a stalk and thing like that, and you just look up on social media for them to pay attention to you. You understand what I say? Them sort of thing there, them sort of way of thinking there. You know, see, what's name there? Ivani again goes up and breaking at somebody thing. And the man them take contract on her for kill her, man literally have the for a fire shot on the girl star. What the man them are thinking of themselves? I let's last say you know say. It come like I know something we can talk about, because I'm man really man love do something. You get what I say? Right now, you don't know. I just saw there. You know, see it, another stock we can talk about mine. You know, see it, and hope somebody pick up off of something where I say and just pick some sense out of it and just don't say, boy, yeah, things can't exist like that. Because, God man, may I tell you, say, you know, if you have a friend around you and your friend not have no moral standard, no killing boundary, if he will kill anything, he will kill you too, you know. You know, see it? Alright, gunman friend. You see, if the gunman now listen, me I talk to the whole town around them. You see that man there, where you see a power with the gunman or will kill anybody, any day for you can't pluck on the dead too, you know. Yeah, man. The man that not say no to nothing, man. Any man who will kill a woman and baby not say no to nothing. You know, see, they will tell you, no, say, yeah, we're not a friend killer, right. What I'm to? When him feel say, yeah, him and a friend. Probably him alone in them paranoid sick man, because usually sick people them there, you know. Think say, you and him and a friend. Eh? You think you will have no second thought or have no qualms to come bust one in your head? Think about it. No, I'm not asking them things. I tell you, say I saw it all go. You see, that's why you can't survive too long, because you harbor the next killer right next to you. You see, if you get props in a wickedness and so on, a bad man can't kill woman, I don't know, have man side, I don't know where a shot and a rate. You know, see, them things that coming like a man have a sexual fantasy. I get some perverse satisfaction out of that. You know, so what I say? Them things that are right, them things that exist nowhere else in the world. Me just Google it before I do this. No man no predominantly target no woman. You understand what I say? You have serial killer who kill both man and woman together all the way down the line. But when you have man we are going on them things that it's a sickness, man, them things that don't exist yet neither. You know, see, Texas Jamaica always come up with some, I tell you, yo, you can't allow that fair man as a country, as a society. You have to stop all of them people around you because of on next. Think about it. I know me I say this. These are legitimate facts, natural facts. If a man not have no boundary to who him will kill, how about you? Well, lie down in the bedside of him. You where you pick me and walk side of him in the house. Suppose him feel like say you cheat on him or feel like say something not right. You don't feel like you think him out walk away and say, you know, how that work? Nah, man, nobody not hungry, sir. Nobody not hungry and depraved, sir. So that's them I have them death. I walk outside like I walk with a buckle of poison just in case you get thirsty. And what did them people here, Rasta? You see it, and the police them is just as bad, you see it. See how quickly them clean up for election. See how quickly them take out too much name brand wanted man. Get too much firearm from them to the man them arm at that, and I like say them go catch them off guard. You see them go catch them arm and take them out. So for sure you say the security force is adequately trained. Yeah, and able to stem out a certain level of violence in the society. You see, but yet them lay back and allow certain things to happen. You see, I don't know if them get direction for stand down or whatever. You see, and allow certain type of crime for perpetrated against women without any form of strong impression or step in from themselves. You get what I say? But if it was a Chinese man or a tourist, you know, God forbid it happen to any of them, because we don't want them get hurt, really. We don't want violence against nobody, really. You know, see? But if it was one of them, before morning, the police full of information about who do it and things like that, if they not find them already. You know, see? But when it come to our local people, them know where them mainly predominantly pay tax and I suffer, so that the police force can survive. The police force no really, police come more pressure them, put more pressure upon them than anything else. You understand what I say? It's less likely to put the resource that's put into uptown in the ghetto. You see, I mean, know the same intelligence, the level of intelligence there and the process and everything is its existence. You see, because a ghetto man would have go out there go do certain type of crime. Then, for instance, kill a tourist, kill a Chinese. You see, and a ghetto him all live and gone back amongst ghetto people, and the security forces are going to find him. You get what I say? With or without help from the local community. You see? Some can't understand even when the police, them morals, find it acceptable. Violence against women can just be like any other normal killing, criminal activity. It's like, so well then, you know what I say, you can see the state with the society in. You know, see, and at time, my man, I don't like do them type of video about Jamaica. You know, see, but again, you know, something needs to be done. The woman, they need asylum or they need Blue Royal OBEAH. You know, see, seriously, you think a joke, something need to be done and Blue Royal have something there I go and come. I can't understand how Triple X just drops so. I can't understand how Vanny just last so. Not even bail. How long now? Yo! Blue Royal, you need to talk what go on. Talk with the people. The woman them need your help and protection. Come out like a Wonder Woman, you know. You know see it. You know, share, like, and subscribe, Rasta. More bless. You know, see it.